Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a to-do list on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and here you can find the first button, the to-do list. Here, if you have a to-do list, you can check this, but if you want to create one, click to the to create button. Here you can add the title, you can add the details, and you can add time to remind you, and if you finish, click to the done button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.